now. Did you just get...
We got a re. All right, 5 more spins. We got a re. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's huge! Oh! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Max win! That's max win! Max win! Is that max win? Let's go! Yes! Yes! Boom! Why are you like this, Mr. Museum? Why are you so volatile, Bratko? We have to do it together?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! That's 50K! Let's go! Let's go! Oh! Let's go! Boom! 50,000!
Oh, okay, hit the...
One more!
Yeah, we're almost...
Oh my god.
Oh. That is the next believers.
What the fuck? Ladies
Oh,
and gentlemen!
what the fuck you? We're bonus house.
51? How much? 51,075? Ladies and gentlemen, 51,070.
A little deeper. I think it's fair. All right, last depot. If I hit this bad boy, it's gonna be fucking raw eating. If not, I'm going to rust and then I'm going to bed.
I don't even know. I don't get how you do it. I can't even get the girl as a symbol. And you keep doing full screens with it.
Oh! 400. 436,460. What the hell just happened here?
Hey, hey! Oh my god! What the hell is happening here? This could be the one! Ladies and gentlemen, this could be the one. Look at that! We're gonna need a full connection here. Give me better Megaways, man. What is this? 144? Come on, just give me that. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 11, 11. Come on now, queens. Aye, alright. We still got 3 spins left. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. This could be the one. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be the one. Yes, get the pug. Ah, what is that? Boom. Oh my god. Give me the pug, pug, pug. Oh, give me a pug right there. What is that? 4 grand. Now, come on, blue dog. Oh, give me the dog. Yes. 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 What is that? Boom. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god! What the hell? Let me just go. Favorite slot all time? Oof. Diamond jars. I think tombstone, deadwood. Here we go. Ooh, spit out more. Come on, spit. Oh my god, maybe. Oh my god, what is that? 48 grand! 48 grand! Holy shit! Open up your golden satchels! Man, Lost Relics is such a pure...
God! Max win! That's max win! Max win! Is that max win? Let's go! Yes! Yes! Boom! Holy! Let's go! Max win! Yes! Boom, baby, let's go!
Alright. Alright. Alright.
We need the house. 13 house. Come on, houses! Yeah!
There we go.
Okay, now we need a house here, guys. It's huge. If we get a house here, it's gonna be massive. Right here. Come on, one time! Okay, that's gonna pay. Are we actually getting a good bonus here? We found, look at this. Oh, that's massive. That's gonna be massive. 14K, what? Let's go. Jonte steps in the room, guys. Insta big win. Oh, 39,000 taken points. Golden stake. That is a fucking start. Okay, that's something. Okay, that's something. Now we try 150.
Two after spin and over 100x.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, this can pay, bro. This is gonna fucking pay.
3K. Please. Wow, here. Oh wow! Oh my god! Fuck the full line!
That's a full line. I've never seen a full line.
15,000!
That's 1,008.
Two more! Oh what? That's how many wow? 3K!
What?
Imagine a wow here. Imagine. Ah!
Gonna fucking pay again.
Ladies and gentlemen!
What?
Let me see if we can get extra points. Drop the diamond in chat, take your points, guys. 20.
Yeah, boys, there's a full send coin someone made. I just bought into it. I'm not involved at all, but I just bought it. About $40,000 worth, and then it tanked. So, yeah, fucking tanked. No! Ah! Yeah! Hey! I got it! I got it! Ah! I got it! I got it again! I got it! I got the full screen! I got the full screen! I got the full screen! I got the full screen again! Oh shit! Oh! Oh, I got the full screen!
Thanks, Henry. Oh! Oh! Hey! 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 Boom! Look at that! Yes, sir! Damn, son!
Keep the money coming! Keep the money coming!
Oh, it's recuperating a little bit, man. We've been ripping. Oh, man, this is awesome. It's all right, I guess. Well, yeah, it's better than all right, I guess. It's all right, I guess. Hater. Hater. Look at that. Open it.
Where are the squares? Ah! I told you! Give me the squares, baby!
What?
Give me the squares!
Joey, take for to give to their others.
Let's go! Here are the squares. You saw the squares, guys? Let's go.
Give us another reach.
This is our squares. Now we're talking.
Please, reach again. I don't know. Yes.
It should be. 41,000.
Imagine the same square.
41,000. Let's go now. You wanted to go from this game, you're dead. Which one, bro? Pink?
I don't know. Pink, yeah.
Oh my god, really bad one, but we have still 5-6 wilds.
Squares.
Five.
Squares.
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 Ah! Colossal, now it's time for Ruby. Big one on 6 multi, guys.
Schmuck.
Big one on 6 multi. Red. Oh, the worst Colossal, guys. We need miracle. We need a lot of wilds.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's all, but not enough. 46,000!